Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
18 years after the federal government commenced the reconstruction of the East-West Road, a large chunk of the 338-kilometer road still remains in a state of disrepair. The sorry state of the road has become a major concern to both motorists and people of the region, whose socioeconomic well-being have since taken the shape and form of the deplorable physical infrastructure with no hope for respite in sight. Just like successive governments that have made promises with no evident progress, President Bola Tinubu has again promised to ensure the completion of the project within record time. However, commuters on the road and Niger Deltans are skeptical about the words of the president, who they say has an ambitious project of his own in the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway that may not allow him to give the East-West Road the much-needed attention.
In 2006, the contract for dualization of the 338-kilometer East-West Road was awarded in 4 sections to 4 different contractors under the Olusegun Obasanjo administration. But almost 2 decades later, construction work on the project remains uncompleted. Supervision of the project has been transferred back and forth between the Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs, Ministry of Works, and the National Sovereign Investment Authority at various times with very little to show for it. Commuters are often trapped at unmotorable sections of the road for days, while many have met their untimely ends due to the deplorable state of the road. Nonetheless, after several appeals by stakeholders from the Niger Delta region, President Bola Tinubu in April 2024 promised that his administration will prioritize the completion of the East-West Road, which is considered the single most significant road in the region, linking almost all the states, starting from Warri in Delta State to Orong in Akwa Ibom State. In a recent visit to the AKUGHA axis of the East-West Road connecting River State and Bayelsa State, stranded road users called on the federal government to prevail on the contractors to increase the pace of work.
The contractors, they are not trying, because for them to construct this road, they have to create an access road for people, for motorists to pass.
So please, let them just force the contractors to fix a section of the road, at least make it motorable.
When you give someone contract, there should be a monitoring team to monitor the people you award contract to. You can't just award contract that there's no follow-up. So definitely everybody will relax.
While the critical East-West Road project is still experiencing fits and starts, the Tinubu-led government is currently undertaking another ambitious project, the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. Although work has started at the first phase of the project in Lagos, issues around the total cost of the project in the face of the current economic realities have been under debate. Integrity of the contractors, high-tech construction, as well as the general timing of the high-staked undertaking is also under serious public scrutiny.
The issue of the Lagos-Calabar Road or the Coastal Road, I cannot say it's bad, but our maintenance culture, looking at the East-West Road that is very, very vital to the people of this region and to Nigeria in general, is in a shape that cannot be described as anything good.
If you do the coastal highway, a lot of communities automatically will become connected to the east, by road, and the ease of moving. The advantages are many if you can achieve it. Now the problem is the way they have communicated to the people, particularly when they have not seen a deliberate attempt for government to ameliorate the suffering on the existing road. If the government had come out beyond the inspections done by the Minister of Works, Omahi, that were pushing X amount in this direction, we mobilized all the contractors back to the East-West Road. We're doing A, B, C, D. I don't think a lot of people will quarrel about it.
Niger Deltans and Nigerians would certainly want the Tinubu-led government to give both projects equal attention, ensuring the completion of the East-West Road and the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway will significantly boost connectivity, economic development, and safety across the region, demonstrating a commitment to regional equity and national progress.
Inside the Niger Delta,